Hello, my reading friends. Welcome to Read to Me, Misty, where our stories are going to come to life and imagination is going to take flight. I'm Misty, and today we're diving into another adventure with Splat the cat. The book is called The Name of the Game. It is by Scotton. If you love listening to our fun stories, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Read to Me, Misty, and hit the notification bell. I'm very excited, so let's start reading. Splat the Cat, The Name of the Game. Ready? Here we go. Woo! Here, I'll show you the picture. Look at it. Spike and Plank were at Splat's house to play games. Let's play mouse, mouse, cat, said Splat. I'll go first, Spike said. Mouse, mouse, cat, he said. Spike tagged Splat. Splat tripped when he chased Spike. Splat! What a shame, said Splat's little sister. So sad, too bad, you lost the game. Let's play hide and seek. I'll be it, said Plank. Splat said, don't peek. Plank began to count. Spike went to hide. Look it. Splat hid behind a curtain. Do you see his paws and his tail? Plank found Splat right away. That spot was tame. So sad, too bad you lost the game, said little sis. No one could find Spike. Good spot, Spike, said Plank. You win, said Splat. I want to play, said little sis. Fine, you're it, said Splat. Splat, Spike, and Plank went to hide. This time Splat found a great spot, a sooty fireplace with no flame. Splat's nose itched. Achoo! Little sis found him right away. That's lame, she said. So bad. Oops, sorry, I made a mistake. So sad, too bad. You lost the game. Little sis found Spike and Plank, too. Yippee, I win, she said. I get all the fame. Why don't I ever win, Splat said. You almost did, said Spike. Maybe the next game, said Plank. So sad, too bad, you lost the game, said little sis. Splat shook his head. No more games, he said. But that's why we came, said Spike. How about go fish, Plank said. Or freeze cat, Spike said. Or jump rope, said little sis. You can play without me, said Splat. Splat started to play by himself. Spike, Plank, and little sis played together too. Playing alone was not much fun. Now this is a shame. It's tame and lame, said Splat. This isn't the same, said Spike. Not without Splat, said Plank. No, it isn't, said little sis. What are you playing? And can I play too? Asked Splat. Any game you like, said Plank. Play with us again, said Spike. Please, Splat, asked little sis. Okay, Splat said with a smile. Let's play hide and seek just one more time. I'll be it, said Spike. He began to count. This time, Splat thought of the best place of all to hide. Spike found Plank first. Then he found little sis. Then the friends looked for Splat. But they couldn't find him. Plank said, Splat, come out. Spike said, Splat, where are you? Little sis said, come out, wherever you are. Here I am. I'm in the frame, said Splat. You win, said Spike. You win, said Plank. You won the game, said Little Sis. I win because I have the best friends, said Splat. Oh, having friends is so important, isn't it? Oh, I just love this. I love it. Special story. And I want you to know that having friends is fun. And it is okay to play games alone sometimes, but it's always better when you can play with some friends. So I want to thank you for reading with me today. And I'm very happy that you spent this special story time here with me on Read to Me, Miss D. Remember that if you go into the description, I have a link where you could buy this book for yourself. Remember that every page that we share helps us grow, imagine, and learn together. So I want you to keep being curious and keep loving books. Bye-bye for now from Miss D.